the beauty of fried chicken in Thailand. Apparently it's called Hat Yai fried chicken because it's the original recipe. It comes from Hat Yai, which is in the south of Thailand. And I think this is what I'm gonna have next. The market is called Pantip Market, and we are pretty young. It's me and my friend Ismael from France. From France. It's just a typical market. There is sushi, there is chicken, there is grilled fish, a nice seating area. But there is a mix of locals and tourists. Obviously, Koh Phangan being like a very touristy kind of island. It's very common for tourists after a night of beaches and party, they'll go and enjoy the food markets. Seems like there are different kind of types of fried chicken. You can almost recognize the KFC parts. The thigh, the wings, the drumstick, and the way you declare your choice is by pinching the parts, the part of the chicken that you want, and putting them in the little piece of paper to be wrapped around. 20 baht. 20 baht for a piece of chicken. 20 baht is like 40 cents. Okay, I think I got a good mix. 60 baht for 3 pieces. So. Thank you. I think I kind of want some skewers as well. So there is grilled pork, which is mu bean, and there is grilled chicken, which is gayam.
20 baht.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go and find where Ismael is. Hello! Pretty nice selection of skewers as well, and some grilled chicken as well. So this is like the sweet sauce,
the spicy peanuts and sesame.
Wait, so what shake is that?
Avocado shake.
Avocado shake.
No sugar, no milk.
No sugar, no milk. Looks pretty awesome.
Ice cubes, avocado.
Got quite a pretty big bag with 3 different pieces of chicken. Also, it seems like there is some packet with some chili sauce in it. Okay, let's try this fried chicken. As I say, they call it like Hat Yai fried chicken because the original recipe comes from Hat Yai, and I don't know if they do. I think the recipe like involves some kind of sugar caramelizing, and I'm not sure why it becomes so red. It just looks very appetizing, honestly. Yeah. Oh yeah. The skin is extremely crispy. Obviously it's been deep fried, but then that's what I love about fried chicken. Like the meat inside remains really juicy. It's never dry. Like the skin is kind of crisps. I love it. Now look at this big piece of fried chicken. Just look at the crispy skin and the beautiful color. It's salty and it's a little bit sweet. I think it's been caramelized. Yeah, it's just very juicy and moist. Once you bite in it, it's just heaven. The juices in this chicken. It's something that grilled chicken cannot give to you. I'm afraid, grilled chicken cannot give you the same juice. Like it's like if I don't know, like when you deep fry the chicken, it remains very juicy inside. It never gets dry.
Yeah, it keeps the juice inside.
That's why that's why I love fried chicken. I don't know. So we've been given a few kind of the usual spicy sauce, and there's chili flakes as well, obviously sugars, and I think I can actually use some of this in the chicken to make it a little bit spicy. A little bit of this kind of chili sauce should be enough to make it spicy a little bit. And now I'm ready for this next bite.
So how spicy is it?
It's not extremely spicy, but just a little bit spicy, just to give that kind of extra dimension to the chicken. And finally, the drumstick. This is a big drumstick. This was like a chicken who does gym on a regular basis. Very muscular. Kind of want to try the chili oil with this one. I was kidding, there is not much chili oil left, so I'll just leave this for now. Looks pretty good anyway. KFC should learn from Thai people on how to make fried chicken.
But yeah, actually I was thinking about, is it time for crepe dessert?
Ismail is already on crepe dessert time. Oh well. So I also got some grilled chicken. I think I should have probably gone a little bit easier with the chicken because I feel like I can't eat anything else now. But this is Gayang juicy grilled chicken. I don't know how they managed to get this color, this level of orange color. I think I will pour a little bit of sauce over it. Let's get this out. Oh shit. I'm making a little bit of a mess, okay? I was expecting a little bit of tissues in this table. $10 for this thing, and another $10 for the mu ping, just grilled pork, extremely tender and juicy pork. Okay, so I feel like I need to get something to drink, maybe a shake. The beauty of Thailand is that you've got a variety of fruits and stuff. I don't even know the name of half of them. Hello, I wanted a fruit shake. Oh, this is the menu. Nice. Oh, oh my god, so many combinations. Like number 33.
33.
Yeah. The number of combination is so huge, like just $40. Okay, so I had my fruit shake. What's the next step then?
The crepes, of course.
The crepes. So we're going for the crepes. Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel. Brilliant. Obviously it's crepe time. Sawadee-ka. So you can have your crepe in different ways. Vanilla, chocolate, caramel, cinnamon, lots of kind of sweet stuff. You can also put some cashew nuts if you want, some marshmallow, all this kind of things. It's kind of nice to sort of reset your taste bud with something sweet after you had all this kind of fried chicken. 60 baht is pretty honest.
Yeah, the peanut butter chocolate. It became a classic right now.
The guy is gonna show us his skill. Is it how they do it in France, yeah?
Much better, much more skilled.
Oh, this one's for me, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So I've got mine then. Oh my god, almost fell. Okay, sorry. That's okay. Japanese crepe. Are you okay?
No,
What did you lose?
120 baht.
Oh, that's
Fuck.
okay. I'm sorry. That's okay.